today I will be trying to survive Godzilla in Teardown. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, so, apparently Godzilla is not out yet, but, he should be coming out soon. But so if you remember this map,
hey, let me see your phone.
1 minute grace period. So yeah. I'm just gonna skip ahead a little bit. It spawned. Crap. Crap. This thing is strong. Godzilla is like my favorite kaiju, but also very strong.
Destiny, the end is near.
Let's see if the banana bomb does anything. Dude! Crap. Gotta go. I want to get out. Button AK. I'm gonna snipe him. Sniped. I'll lose my message. How can he follow me? Gosh. Wow, that much of a mess. Where is he? Oh, he's up there. Wait, is he stuck? Oh, he's just stuck. Maybe? Wait, is he stuck? Oh crap, I just unstuck him. Rocket launcher. Oh, I missed. Let's see. Nice. Headshot. Nice. Oh, I missed. Come on. I want to go inside now. I need to go inside.
Be impressed.
He is right there. Nova, how about that? An M4A4.
How goes it?
Oh, this is my favorite. How about headshot? Okay. Headshot. Let's see. Headshot. Nice. Crap. Wait, why? I'm so low. Oh, the fire was literally right there.
Destiny's still alive.
Okay, this is gonna make it easier. Crap. If I somehow survive Godzilla. So if I somehow survive Godzilla, which I have a chance to, then I will face Mecha Godzilla. And after that, if I survive Mecha Godzilla, then I will go against Ghidorah. And then if somehow finish that, then that will just be the end of the video. So, let's start sniping him. right there. I did not notice that. I did not notice that. I don't think he can find me. He totally can't find me. He's totally not looking straight at me. Bruh. Bro's just sitting there. He's just chilling. Bro's literally just chilling. Yeah, he's literally just chilling while I'm nuking him. Bro, how have I missed those? Okay, finally. Gosh. Oh crap, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming, he's coming. I need to change up. He totally can't get in there. I know he can't. Alright, so I want to get to the top of the building. And then I'll just start sniping him. Oh wait, right, I can just... I forgot I had a jetpack on. He just completely destroyed Family Law. Oh crap. I don't think that's doing anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna start bombing him. Where's my banana bombs? No, it's not. I think he's stuck. Alright, I need to just start sniping you. Yeah, he's definitely stuck. Piano fall. Piano fall. Oh crap. Did not know it was gonna be that much on that one. Again, I'm just barely on a pixel. Come on! Gosh. Okay, I don't know what happened. Piano fall!
The end is near.
Okay, I gotta go check it out. You good? What was that? I just heard like screeching or something. Okay, if I somehow die to him, then we will switch. But oh come on! Oh, he's definitely looking at me. Why can't I move? Why can't I sprint? I think he's gone. Yeah, he's probably gone now. Nope, not gone, not gone, not gone. Crap. Bro, this reminds me of that one scene in Jurassic Park. Bro. Oh, dang. Eat bananas. Eat bananas. Well, next monster. So Eddie.
Yeah.
So right now you can talk. This is just gonna be a cut. So I'm doing Godzilla till I die, and then after I'm gonna do Mecha Godzilla till I die, and then after that I will do Ghidorah till I die. Alright. So I have another 1 minute grace period. So I just had to restart it so that Mecha Godzilla will then join. Or not join, whatever it's called. Demolish everything. So I'm gonna just do a quick, like, fast forward. So that. Ooh, oh wait, it's here? It's here? He's here? Crap. I wanna rocket launch. What the? Oh! I'm throwing pianos at him. Is he dead? He's probably not dead.
Destiny still arrives.
AK. I don't know if he's I don't know. I'm gonna start nuking him. Although when it read on the mod, it said that they're practically invincible, so yeah. I'm gonna just go all the way down his tail. Where he's literally just chilling. Like, this is actually kind of crazy. Alright, I'll aim for his head later. Oh, nice American flag. But nope, it didn't. Boom. Does that kill him? Are you okay now, mister? 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 Excuse me. I'm talking to you.
The end is near.
Well. Piano attack, piano attack, piano attack. Piano attack. Piano attack. Piano attack, piano attack, piano attack, piano attack, piano attack, piano attack. What a Alright. Right now, this is just a cut. So I have just sort of came up here to now try and get him. I don't know what's going on. Oh, what? I just like took out his head. No way he is not dead.
Destiny still.
And finally, we are going to be doing Ghidorah. I'll bet for a fact most of y'all have been waiting for that. If you have seen any of the Godzilla movies, you will definitely know who Ghidorah is. So yeah, anyway. 1 minute grace period. I will of course skip it. But first I want to
Destiny still alive.
goodbye wallfire. Alright. I think it spawned. I don't know. Whoa, yes it did, yes it did, yes it did. Oh gosh. Oh, he is big. He is big. I did not know he was going to be that big. Piano. Alright.
Destiny still alive.
Get him! Get him! Crap. Oh, he's right there. He is right there. He is right there. Oh, he's right there. He is so close. Crap. Crap, I want to get up here. Cool. Amazing. Awesome. Us. Yeah. Kill him. I don't think he can even work.
Destiny still.
Am I hidden? Bro. Oh, it's going through the building. It's not even... This at least go? Why is that so scary? Like, it's still kind of creepy. If only I could, like, throw the sledgehammer. That would be kind of cool. Alright, slamming pianos. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So, bye-bye.